10 simple ways to prevent or stop hair loss. But before we reveal the ways on how to prevent and stop hair loss, we want you to take a second to like this video and also check out the first link in the description to learn more about our program on hair loss protocol hot hair loss offer. What causes hair loss? Our hair grows in a cycle with 3 distinct stages: active growth, resting, and shedding. Even a healthy person who isn't experiencing excessive hair loss can expect to lose about 100 hairs per day. Hair loss is a common side effect of aging, and typically affects men earlier than it does women. By age 40, about 50% of men will experience some degree of androgenetic alopecia, better known as male pattern baldness. On the other hand, around 50% of women will experience female pattern baldness by age 70. If hair loss is sudden or patchy, you should talk to your doctor, as it may be a symptom of a larger condition. Other conditions that can cause hair loss include hormonal changes from pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or thyroid problems. Certain medications, like those taken for high blood pressure, depression, and arthritis. Radiation treatment. Nutritional deficiencies. Stress. Grooming practices. 10 simple ways to prevent or stop hair loss. 1. Eat more protein and omega-3s. Protein is present in every cell in your body and plays a crucial role in many bodily processes, including hair growth. A 2017 study of people with hair loss found that many had an amino acid deficiency, meaning they weren't eating enough foods containing amino acids that are critical for protein production and, by extension, hair growth and strength. If you're struggling with hair loss, make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet from sources like seafood, lean meats, eggs, and legumes. Fatty acids like omega-3s are also important for maintaining hair and scalp health, and you can get more of those in your diet from sources like seafood and flaxseed. 2. Supplement your vitamin intake. And speaking of diet, don't forget about vitamins. One that's particularly important for stopping hair loss is vitamin A. Studies have found that retinoid, which are derived from vitamin A, can increase hair growth and prolong its active growth phase. There are plenty of foods that are good sources of vitamin A, like leafy greens, carrots, and sweet potatoes, or you can get it in the form of daily supplements of vitamins and minerals. A collagen supplement can also support hair health and growth as a source of amino acids and antioxidant protection. 3. Consult a doctor. Losing your hair early in life or without explanation can be a symptom of hormonal imbalance. If you have hair loss and are experiencing other symptoms of hormonal imbalance, like weight gain, muscle aches, and joint pain, consult your doctor for medical advice right away. If it is a hormone issue, treatments like hormone therapy can stop hair loss and other symptoms. 4. Avoid smoking, alcohol, and caffeine. Certain habits, like smoking and drinking alcoholic or caffeinated drinks, can worsen hair loss. Smoking reduces blood circulation throughout the body, and blood circulation to your scalp is an important factor in hair growth and retention. Drinking alcohol and caffeine can contribute to hair fall in a couple of different ways. Too much of either can suppress your immune system, which plays an influential role in the hair growth cycle. Alcohol and caffeine can also lead to sleep problems, and we all know how important sleep is to our overall health and wellness. 5. Reduce stress. Stress and tension are one of the most common causes of hair loss and hair fall. If you're experiencing hair loss and you're also under a lot of stress, you should make it a priority to find effective ways to calm your mind and relax. Some of the most effective practices for reducing stress include meditation, yoga, spending time outdoors, and making time for hobbies. Find 1 or 2 stress reducers that work for you and incorporate them into your schedule regularly to help prevent hair loss. 6. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only another good way to reduce stress, but it also improves your overall health too. And a healthy body means longer, stronger locks. 7. Try an essential oil treatment. Scalp massages can help stimulate hair follicles and increase blood flow, both of which can help stop hair loss and promote hair growth. It's also easy to incorporate essential oils like lavender, rosemary, and thyme to your scalp massages, which, according to a 1998 study, can be a safe and effective treatment for hair loss due to alopecia areata, aka patchy hair loss. 8. Apply onion, garlic, or ginger juice. In addition to essential oils and coconut oil, other natural juices can be used to help stop hair loss as well. For instance, a 2002 study of individuals with patchy hair loss found that participants who applied onion juice twice every day had significantly increased hair regrowth than those in the control group. 9. Clean your scalp after sweating. Whether you exercise regularly or just sweat a lot, you don't want to let a lot of sweat accumulate and sit on your scalp. Not only can sweat dehydrate your hair, but it can also lead to clogged pores, bacterial growth, and even fungal issues. 10. Try a green tea hair treatment. Green tea contains antioxidants, which may help protect against hair shedding and boost hair growth. Make a strong green tea by steeping 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of water, then apply the tea to your scalp. Leave it on for an hour, then rinse. These are the 10 simple ways to prevent or stop hair loss. Don't forget to check out our program, Hair Loss Protocol Hot Hair Loss Offer, in the description. Kindly like, share and comment.